Today I have another Temu Nail Art nail supply haul for you. I know I share these a lot, but they have so many great items, products like art or supplies for a nail tech and really affordable. That's why I just seem to keep buying and bringing more in to share with you. And I do have $100 coupon bundle. So if you're a first time user, take advantage of that because the first time I ever used Temu, I was able to use that. So I saved $100 on my order that I purchased. So really quite amazing. Like a lot of places don't offer that. And I will have that down in the description, the link. And I also have the code that you see up on the screen. You can use that code to find that $100 bundle if you don't go down in the description of this video and click that link. I have a few items here that are actually not nail related. So I'm going to share them with you at the end. Now, if you do not like seeing those other items, please let me know and I'll just share nail art instead of and nail supplies versus some things I purchased for myself. But again, please let me know in the comments because if you're okay with it, then I'll just share them since I ordered them with the rest of my order. So let's get started. So to start with, I picked up some Halloween stickers. I'm going to open it up because there's a few different sheets in here. So the first one, some spider webs and spiders. These will come in handy. And then they have them in gold, like a champagne gold more than a yellow gold. You can see that when I flip it up a bit in the light. The same sheet. And then they also have it in like a hollow silver, which I think is really neat. And the spiders are holographic. Never seen those before. And then the last one is a normal silver. So there's 4 sheets of stickers in that package. Again, all of the links will be down in the description of this video below. It'll say more. You click that and go down in my video under my description and you'll see products and video. And then I'll have all of these links so you can find them easily. So I'm not sure why I bought this brush. I think it's more of an ombre brush. If I remember, it's a little different than the old style. Yes, it is. So can you see the ombre on that? I'll show you the older style. They say this one is better. So you look at this style, my old one, and then you've got this one. I'll actually bring it out so you can see it better and then I'll show you. Okay, so there's the new style. They say this is way better and I can see why. The bristles aren't so long and this one kind of gets funny, whereas this one I could see it being better. So I had to try it out because they say it's way better than the old style and I believe that it would be. So I bought something a little different. These are little stampers and I have no idea what to use to stamp them with. If you guys know, let me know in the comments. These ones are plastic. I thought I ordered metal ones on the stamper itself. Yes, these are plastic and these are the designs. Show you here. So that's nice. It's got a little leaf and the flowers. There's roses, butterfly. But I have to read on this and figure out how to use these, and I'll let you know if they're worth buying or you should try and look for the metal ones. But these are the plastic ones, and there is 10 in this package. So I have another stamping item. This one's a stamping plate. I'm going to bring it up so you can see. Okay, so I bought this more because it's a lot of cherry blossoms, which most people know that's my favorite flower. You could do a really nice toile pattern or china pattern with these. These are really pretty. Or just use them on the nail, of course, by themselves. Because you've got some that have the circles, and then there's some birds in some of them. So really nice. You could do a really cute 12 pattern nail or nails with this one. So this is for my nail room, and what these are little sticky, like they have a back to them. I'll open one up and try and show you. I needed these in my room because I have so many cords. Of course, they're double packed. But anyway, so this is the piece that you would stick. You just pull up the paper so it's sticky. And then you can put your cord in, and there's Velcro, so it'll Velcro your cords. I'll put a picture up on the screen so you can see what I mean when I say that they Velcro together and they hold cords. But I thought I'd try them out. I need some in my nail room. And you may remember my last video, I shared some sweatshirts and they were extra larges. I normally wear a medium, and I found one was quite long, the pink one, and the black one was good. It was a little bigger, but it wasn't too big. So I wanted to send the pink one back and get a smaller size, and the black one I kept. And that video, the whole Temu Nail Supply haul, you can see it in the top right hand corner if you want to watch that one. I'll have it at the end of the video if you want to see everything I got there. But anyways, I did get another sweatshirt in a different color, and this one I got in a large and it fits perfect. I wouldn't go to a medium. I think it'd be too small. So the large was good for me. Normally when I wear a medium, for reference for you guys, if you want to order one. So I did get the same style, the same picture, but I really like the green. So it's kind of like a fall green. It says nails again, and then you've got all the bottles and dripping. And this one, I'll show you. So it is a large and it's perfect. It's not too small, it's not too big. So for reference. So that is it for nail art and nail supplies. So now I want to show you the few things I purchased. Just wanted to try them out and see what I thought of them. So I needed some, I guess you could say, eye makeup, some makeup to cover up my hollows. I have darker hollows under my eyes as I get older. And this one was really nice because there's 3 different shades. I have used it and I love it. And it does come with the brush to apply it, so that's really nice. And I have used that too. So that was one of the things I wanted to try for myself. And if you're looking for like a color corrector or some concealer, there's 3 different shades to whatever shade you're wanting. I usually will use this one, and then I sometimes, depending what I'm using, I'll use that. But this one I'll use just to brighten areas, to take away from those hollows. And this kind of works really well. Both of these for covering up my hollows. They are nice. So if you're looking for that. And then another thing I purchased, I really, really wanted to try this. This is the neatest thing. I just got too dark of a color, so I ordered another one with another nail order I just sent away, and I'll show you this. So I have my eyebrows done. I had the powder eyebrows only once, and now they're kind of getting lighter, more grayish looking, and I want them to appear brown like my natural color. So I thought these look so cool for filling them in, and it really is neat. It works wonderful. It's just too dark, so I ordered a lighter one, and I'll just show you on here. Like maybe I'll show you on my arm. My arm's going to be better. So say if you're doing your eyebrow, you see how it looks like, I'll get it if I can get it right here. See how it looks like little hairs. Now, if I did a littler area, obviously, and feathered it, it is really neat because it looks like, I don't know if you can see it. It looks like little hairs when it goes on. Can you see that? I just kind of made a mess, but you get the idea. And if you just do your eyebrows, like a little area, so say I'm doing my eyebrows, I'm going to go up at the beginning, and of course it wouldn't be this long, and then you're going to go over, and it really does look like natural hairs, and it's going to be perfect for me. I just need a lighter color, so I'm just going to keep it if I need it for anything, but I will definitely be using a lighter color. It's too dark for my hair color. And I got one more thing that I just love that I'm going to use this winter. I might use them more as slippers. but you know, these are very popular. So I got they're like a UGG, I guess you could say, just a dupe of that. But they're really cute. They've got the nice lining in them, and they do have a nice sole on them. So you could wear them outside, which I don't know, I might if I need to slip something on quick. But they're actually really nice. They're a suede. I like the red on them. They're quite nice considering how cheap they were. So I'll have that link down below too. And I guess these will be used in my nail room. So really it is a nail item because I do have to wear something. And in the wintertime when it's colder, these are going to be perfect to have on in here if my feet get cold. So here is everything I received in the haul. The sweatshirt I love. I'm going to love the slippers for work, for doing nails, and just for the house in general. Concealer's really nice. I love the eyebrow pencil. I wish I could have showed you better, but it does work really well. And I like the ombre brush. I can't wait to use the stamping plate. The stickers, I have lots of Halloween nails coming up soon, and the cord holders are perfect too. Let me know what you thought of the video. Would you purchase any of these items? And let me know what those little stampers, how to use them, what kind of polish, or do I use stamping polish for them? If you like this video, could you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see everybody in the next one.